Michael says, how often ideally should I make GBP posts? Depends on the industry. If you're in an industry where it's others are actively posting, then you want to kind of just meet and exceed or match at least match their frequency. You know, and a lot of the apps, the Chrome extensions, GMB Crush, GMB Everywhere, a bunch of those Chrome extensions with the paid upgrades will show you frequency of publishing or publishing frequency for competitors for particular search queries, so you can very quickly identify what the cadence of or how often you should be posting should be. Um, Most of my clients, though, I just recommend once per week. That's it. Once per week. I swear to God, for most of my clients, that's what I tell them is good. Once per week is all it needs to be done. That's it. And we always recommend scheduling that stuff out, guys. We use OneUp app. If you go to oneupapp.io, you'll see it's very inexpensive. It's a very simple tool that all it does is post syndication. And all we use it for is Google Business, but it works really, really good. And so we go in and schedule out the post. We'll schedule out, 2 months, 3 months of posts in one sitting because four posts, depending on the client. But most clients, I say just one post per week's good. So in a couple of hours, you can schedule out several months worth of posts. Easy peasy.